Welcome to our explanation of the Wants-of factor, a key concept in understanding deviation in colligative property. This presentation will guide you through the intricacies of solution behavior and how the Wants-of factor play a crucial role. Let's take a look at the roadmap for today's presentation. We will start with an introduction to colligative property, setting the stage for understanding solution behavior. Then we will define the wants of factor, a crucial concept for non-ideal solution. We will explore the significance and interpretations of I, revealing how it impacts solution behavior. Next, we will delve into the modified colligative property formulas for accurate calculation, and finally we will discuss practical application of the want of factor in chemistry. The want of factor, denoted as I, is a fundamental concept in physical chemistry, especially when dealing with colligative property of solution. It helps us account for deviation from ideal solution becoming critical when solute, dissolute, or associate solvent. Deviation in colligative property often occur due to association of solute particles in a solution. For instance, NaCl dissociate into Na plus and Cl minus ions, increasing the number of particles and alternating the expected colligative effect. Conversely, some solute molecule may associate, reducing the number of effective particles. The want-of factor is a dimensionless quantity that measures the ratio of the actual particles produced when a solute dissolved to the number of formula units initially dissolved. It can be expressed based on colligative property or molar mass, highlighting how I correct for the deviation in accepted solution behavior. Interpreting the value of I provides insight into a solute behavior, and I of 1 indicates number of dissociation or association, while I greater than I suggest 1 suggested dissociation into a multiple particles, and I less than 1 implies association where solute molecule aggregate, reducing the number of effective particles. The want-of factor has practical application beyond theoretical understanding. It helps determine the degree of dissociation in ionic compound, assess association tendencies in polymer chemistry, and accurately determine molecular mass from colligative property measurement, crucial for complex biological macromolecules. Thank you so much.